and a place to regenerate, and a place that they can sort of put their feet up and speak what's on in their heart and what's on their mind, and without any judgment and with unconditional love. And that's what my home is about. Hey guys, it's Vicki Marie. Last night it just really stormed pretty hard, and we've got quite a bit of snow, so definitely usually we don't get this much snow this early. Honestly, it's so I wasn't prepared. I don't think John was either, and it took us by surprise. Now I kind of feel like fall is already being yanked out from under me, and it's time to step into winter. That's not the case though. I'm still going to embrace fall. I still have to go rake leaves when the snow melts. So the seasons just come and they go. So we can't control them, and we can't control the storms either. We might get some idea that they're coming, but we never quite know how hard they're going to hit. And I think right now, I know in my life, like John and I have been talking, and I've been talking to some friends about this sense of a storm coming. Like there's just so much uncertainty, and we're not quite sure how to prepare. And I think that a big part of my life, and a part of what I've taught my kids and my friends and I, we talk about this, is that when things get really kind of crazy feeling out there in the world, you have to be able to go within. You have to take that quiet time and unplug and detach from the world, and have a place, a quiet place, to reflect, to pray, whatever it is that you do, to just recenter and reconnect with what's important to you and what's important to your family, so that you can plan the steps ahead. And I know for me, I've been doing that a lot, and I've done that better. Like there's been times of my life that I'm really good at that, and then times where I just sort of fall away from that, and I get caught up in what the world seems to, like I just get pulled in 100 directions. And the last couple of weeks, I've just really been called to just sort of to regroup and recenter, and to reconnect with the things that are important to me. And I realized when I was trying to figure out how I wanted to do sort of a fall tour, for me, it's not about the decorations. It's not about getting the perfect pieces. I'm not a home decor person, but I know that my home is a really important environment that I like to create, so that my family and my friends, when they walk into this space, they feel that they're valued, that I care enough to create an environment for us. And I think that's what family and that's what home is about. Like I want my kids and my family to step out of their comfort zones and explore, but I want them to know that when they're done with that, they have a place to come home to, and a place to regenerate, and a place that they can sort of put their feet up and speak what's on in their heart and what's on their mind, and without any judgment and with unconditional love. And that's what my home is about. So I thought I would share that with you today, and I hopefully I've captured a little bit of that in the following clip. So that's my video today, and it's Vlogtober. I'm putting a video out every day this month. I have a little bit of everything this month. Take good care of yourself, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.